I love my dad. My dad.
What's up, everyone? Today we're going to unbox Blackout. Oh, what? I think this is my favorite of all the characters. I don't even care about the Wave 5s. Fling Kong? What? It's all about Blackout. Spotlight was cool, but Blackout... But Black... But Blackout, he is a really cool character, man. I feel a little dizzy. Do you feel dizzy? Oh, I feel dizzy. Oh, hold on, come on, get back to it. Blackout, man, come on. He looks so good in the package. I just don't want to open him, but we don't have doubles, so we gotta open it. All right, well, go ahead.
Why aren't you doing?
Okay. She's going to unbox Blackout. Unboxing for the first time. I don't feel so. Oh, yeah, Blackout. You need help? Or you got it?
Whoa!
Whoa!
You blew it off a little bit there.
Yeah,
Oh.
unboxing Blackout makes
That was
me.
easy, actually. I just ripped a little part.
Blackout makes me wanna.
You gotta be kidding, Dad. You faded again.
I'm sorry, Blackout makes me black out. Oh, Blackout is just so. Oh, makes you dizzy. Look at this character. This character is a double whammy.
I tried to get this out without flinging it out.
Whoa. Blackout is so cool. He's got a horn on his head. So cool. The wings. This is a character, if I had a job that had a desk at it, I would definitely take to work and have it just chill right there. Here.
Don't forget these two.
Yep.
I never forget them.
Okay. We'll show them the stats, but everybody all together now. Stats don't matter because it changes with the hats. Can't even see that probably, can you? I don't know. All right, go ahead. What's the numbers? Can you read the numbers? Can I show them this?
Yeah.
Look at that, everybody. Blackout. Oh, man. Wait till you get this bad boy in your hands. I'm telling you right now. Blackout be looking good. Yeah. So there you go, everybody. Be careful when you open it. You feel a little lightheaded, so you might faint. You know what I'm saying? So there you guys go. Blackout. Unboxing. Wow. Really cool figure. And don't forget, take a big old sniff.
But does it smell like that?
Later.
I love my dad.